Hellcat.
Yo, Ali.
Yo, who that a shout me? Oh, yo, my general, walk on. Forward now.
Yeah, my boss, walk on, everything good?
Yeah, man, my gringo, everything governed, man. You don't know what they upon the ground, is it?
Yeah, man, cool. You know, it's one reason, man, I forward for come show you, though. More I see it and show you vibes.
True. Alright. Getting a reason now. Yes, go on, now. Talk to me.
Yeah, my G, you know, say, what do you sit down and me a reason with myself? Yeah, man, I reason with myself and myself, I said to myself, say, yo, myself.
Oh, hold on. There you are, go on. Come check my liquor more. You see me? Check my liquor more. I have something for you. Check my liquor more.
Wait, say, little more? Alright, me link you later.
Yeah, man. Man, all them reason they have bomb buckler. Wonder who that. Yo, him not there, you know.
Yo, what we can see through your window?
Open and see him. Fuck you, you to come with it now, man.
Yeah, man, remember, I'm tell you, say, I have a vibes for show you, man, from this morning. And you say, if come check your back. Little more? Yeah, man, sir, come now.
Alright, so where's it going now? What go on?
Yeah, man, so, my mama tell you, say, I sit down one day, man, and me a reason with cousin. Yeah, me a reason with my cousin.
Oh, your cousin. Alright, what go on?
Yeah, man, so, like my cousin, I say, yo, you see, like how you have Miss Jamaica, and everybody in our parish can enter Miss Jamaica because them come from Jamaica.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, and then you have Miss World, right? So everybody from in our world can enter. That means people from Jamaica, people from England, people from America, people from Russia, China, the whole wide world, you know. The whole wide world can enter, though.
Yeah, man, I know that, man. So that you want to hear some cousin sit down and reason about whole day, who can enter Miss World?
Yeah, man, but wait no, man. Watch the part, you know. Them have Miss Universe, right? Who are going to enter Miss Universe? Because everybody from the world don't enter Miss World, you know. So, people from Mars are going to come here, youth.
Yo, I move from here tomorrow, yeah? After tomorrow, I'm going to leave here again. So you now have to come check me again.